before. I remember chapter 1. Remember when you put the figure, you need to name the figure correctly. Okay. The first figure, your chapter 1 will be figure 1.1, right? And the figure caption. The caption should be below your figure. Right? It's all already mentioned in the last class. And the table, if you have a table, let's say your chapter 2, first table. The first table of your chapter 2 will be 2.1, right? And the caption for the table should be above the table. Okay? Remember the position. One caption for figure, below the figure, caption for table, above the table. Okay, chapter 1, objective, we just can copy. Procedure can also copy for pre-lab. Safety, right? You have all these sections. You should have the template in your handout that I passed you last week, right? Let me quickly show you the soft copy here. This is what I passed you last week. You go to chapter 3 of this manual. Show you the table of contents. Okay? So pre-lab, we are going to have no table of content, of course. For pre-lab, okay? Pre-lab, no table of content, no abstract, no all space, okay? No preface, okay? You start from cover page. After the pre-lab cover page, you start from chapter 1, okay? You do not need to put abstract or list of figure, list of table. For pre-lab report, you just start from chapter 1. Okay, of course, you need to put a cover page of the pre-lab report. And after cover page of the pre-lab report, it will be chapter 1. Chapter 1, 1.1 objective. You can get this from your handout. Theory, you can also get this from your handout. The apparatus we are using, you can also paste this from copy and paste basically for your handout. I'm going to upload a Word document on eCourse of this handout. Okay, you don't need to type in by yourself. The soft copy of this handout, I will be uploading to eCourse today, okay, by tonight. So, environmental safety. You just need to put a title for 1.4 experimental safety. You need to put this section for the title, okay? But you do not need to put any content because we haven't really do experiment, okay? But you need to keep the title here. Procedures, just copy and paste from your handout. Raw data is what I'm going to upload on eCourse, okay? It will be, so the data I'm going to upload will be something like this. No, this will be delete, this will be delete, this will be delete. So this is the data I'm going to upload. Okay, just the data and the empty table. Okay, no chart, just the empty table, empty table. Okay, this will be the file I upload for pre-lab. So for section 1.6, you copy this table to section 1.6. Of course, you put a table caption. Okay, that's 1.6 raw data for the raw measurement, something like that. Okay, you don't just put a table there. You need to give a caption for the table. Yes.
So let's go back to the other slide, the other page.
Slide. This one?
No, the where you were showing the. So this is going to be a page itself, and then it's going to be for each page, like you see the object of the experiment, page 2. So it's just going to be one page of the objective, then another page for the theory.
No, it really needs to be one page for each subsection. Okay, so for every chapter, you need to start from a new page. But for every section here, you don't need to start from a new page.
Okay, so it could be.
Just follow one by one.
Okay.
But when you start a new chapter, no matter where you are for 1.6, you want to start from a new page for chapter 2. Okay? You want to start a new page. Okay? 2.6, 2.1 is different. Okay? So for this lab, 2.1, I want you to, 2.1 is about detailed sample analysis. Okay? So you need to put like, so 2.1, okay? Let's turn up. It's very important how to write 2.1. 2.1 is about the detailed sample analysis. So basically for 2.1, remember to put the title, okay? Detailed sample analysis, okay? Then you need to put a statement like what we have teach today, that the mean value, how to calculate the mean value, the formula is like this, right? Then you need to take some sample value from the table you have. Of course, from the table I'm going to give to you, not this table, okay? The table with 20 data. So you put a statement like the handout saying here that the mean value is the self xm of a self data is represented by the formula here, and you need to take our data as an example. So we have 20 data, and we have like 20 data, right? So for like say for both one, you all take both one, okay? Take both one data as an example. You bring in all the value from both one and give the result here. This is called detailed sample analysis. Okay? This is called detailed sample analysis. Detailed sample. So you take both one data as a sample to show you whether you understand the formula right. Okay, you bring in the real data, but you just need to bring the sample data from the both one. Okay, from the first set of data. Same thing for deviation. You say that you need to put a statement say the deviation of a cell data is represented by the formula here. Okay? And for D1, you take one data as an example. D1 is equal to x1 minus xm. Then what's your x1 in our table? In our table, it will be the first data of both one. Okay? First data of both one. Mean is the mean of the set of both one data. Okay? This is called sample analysis. Same thing for standard deviation. Okay? Standard deviation, you also need to have a statement. Statement saying that. Okay, next actually is the mean deviation. Okay, mean deviation. Mean deviation is represented by one formula. Then you take the value from the first set of data as an example to calculate. So I need to, two things I'm going to check for each formula is the formula itself and is your result. Okay? I think the formula will have like 3 points. If you miss one point. 1 point for each formula. So if you lost all the formula, it will be like we have 4 formula. Okay. So if you lost all the formula, you will deduct 4 points. And for each result, it's also 1 point. So if you lost all the results, you will get another 4 points. The full mark for pre-lab report is 55. Okay. If you check your pre-lab count page already. So it's a lot of points already. So 2.1, 2.1 is all about the formula and the central result. 2.2, Excel sheet. Because if you check our title, section 2.2 is about detailed computer analysis. Detailed computer analysis, right? So you copy and paste your Excel table here. You may get, you can organize the page you print. Basically, you copy whatever we do on Excel just now. The sheet 1, what we did on sheet 1 of Excel to 2.2. Okay? You put what you did on sheet 1 of Excel to 2.2. And remember to put the table caption correctly. Okay? A lot of information, no? That's why we need a pre-lab report. So you can make some mistake, get my feedback, and do this right on a lab report. Okay? 2.3. 2.3 is about presentation of tables of derived results. Okay? Presentation of tables of derived results. Okay, all this title you need to keep like this. Okay, you don't come up with a new title. With another word. Just keep the title constant. Okay. And you can also check all this title on the lab menu I passed you last week. And the soft copy is also on e-course already. Okay. So presentation of table of derived table is that these two tables here. Okay? Table 3 and table 4. I'm handout. Okay, of course you need to change the table label accordingly. Okay, you shouldn't put like table 3, table 4. This should be like, depends how many table you have previously. Okay, it may be 2.4 or 2.10 already. Okay, you know what I mean? Okay. The reason I put table 3, table 4 because there's no chapter here. So just all the way from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But I believe you already have some table in the previous section. So if you already have some table, you definitely going to have some table in 2.2 already. So let's say, assume you have 5 tables in 2.2, then this table will be your 2.6. Right? So you put table 3 and table 4 section in section 2.3.
With those steps, are we just putting the next or we actually we're gonna fill them?
You just copy and paste the table to 2.3 from Excel. Yeah, so all these are in Word document, you know what I mean? So the lab report is in Word document. Okay? Lab report is in Word document.
So is it gonna be hard copy or soft copy?
You submit hard copy to me, but you need to submit the Excel copy, Excel file.
E-course is okay.
So when you submit to me the pre-lab report, it will be hard copy. To print it out. So for chapter 1, all those statements you of course need to put in Word document, right? When it comes to table, you copy your table from Excel, or if you want to retype again, that's fine. Okay, then after you finish your pre-lab report, which include all the chapter 1, chapter 3, chapter 2, chapter 3, you print out and submit to me. Okay, then for all this table, actually you get this done in your Excel, right? You upload your Excel file. You just upload the Excel file to e-course. So I can see the formula you use, whether it's correct or not. Okay? And And this table, after you get it done in Excel, you just copy from Excel and paste on a Word document. Okay, then you print out. Chapter 3, no matter, whenever you start a chapter, no matter where you are before, even just one line, for chapter 2.3, you need to start from a new page for chapter 3. Okay? So when you start chapter 3, title, okay, title is always the same. Remember the title. You can find the title on your handout, on your template, okay? Then for pre-lab, you only have 3.1. Remember, we actually have 3.2, 3.3. 3.2 is for conclusion, right? 3.3 is about the recommendation. 3.1 is about the presentation of the graph, something like that. Okay, you check the title. Presentation of graphs. So in pre-lab, you don't have these two sections. Okay, you don't have these two sections. In pre-lab, you just put the graph we have. So for this lab, we actually have 3 graphs, right? 3 bar graphs. You put your bar graph with the correct information, title, unit, start from 0. These are key information I'm going to check, okay? Otherwise, 1 point, 1 point, 3 point, it's going to deduct 3 points. If I go wrong, okay? I need to check my score matrix. But all these are what I'm going to check. Title, unit, arrow bar, start from 0. Okay, you are going, and the figure. So this will be definitely your figure 3.1. Okay, this is your first figure in chapter 1. Caption, what it means, okay? And you are going to have 3 graphs, okay? So you have 3.2, 3.3, okay? Figure 3.3, figure 2.2. With all the similar information I'm going to check. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah, that's it. So that's all for the pre-lab report. It's due in 1 week. Okay? So next
Tuesday.
before we start the experiment, you submit a report, hard copy.